After a year of silence and months of preparation, the DV Theater is premiering their play, Dracula.
We started in August. We gave them their scripts in August and we started doing run throughs toward the end of August. We are having a charity dinner show for the Child Crisis Center, and it's in memory of one of our Del Valle students who passed away last year due to COVID. He was one of our SPED students. His name was Jonathan Ramirez. So we're having a spaghetti dinner and our play, and all the money's going to the Child Crisis Center because unfortunately Jonathan spent a lot of time in foster care and in and out of the Child Crisis Center.
I think it's a really good place. I'm glad that there's somebody out there to help those people who need it.
The play would not be complete without the help of DV's orchestra.
I thought it'd be a really awesome opportunity for the orchestra students to do this. I personally love playing musical theater, and it was just a really great experience. It teaches the students a lot of other skills, and I just really want to give them a chance. I would definitely help out other organizations in the future. I like giving my students as many experiences as I can possibly give them.
I love the arts. Both of my children have been involved in theater since they were little. And so I think it's a good outlet for them to show their creativity, to grow confidence. And so I support that. It's very important at this age.
With all the excitement the theater brought, we look forward to their next performance. Reporting for Conquest Journal, Michael Lopez.